Cowboy Nation. Yeah, where my haters at? Come on, where you at? Where you at? Cowboy Nation. Yeah, I'm back. Cowboy Nation. Yeah, what's going on? What's going on, y'all? Pop out right there. Quick pop out. Yeah, quick pop out right there, man. Yeah. What's good? What's good? Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. What's up, really? What's up, really? Look, pop out, pop out. Yeah, man, my bro. We be chilling, my bro. We just me and my bro. We just chilling, my bro. Man. Look, yeah, y'all. Pop out, rock out, bro. No cap, man. He be on it. You did. Now they gonna cook and he chilling. No cap. You did. What's up with it? Yep. You know, pop up pants. He got his own drum. He got his own smoke. What's up with it? What's up with it, y'all? Good morning. Pop out, rock. Let's quick get pop out. I'm gonna gotta go get this money. You did. So what's up with it, y'all? Just quick pop out, chill on like up there. You did, y'all. What's up with it? Y'all like my head? You know? Oh man. Oh wait. What it do? What it do, y'all? You did, y'all Gucci. 100. Keep it 100, everybody. You did. Be yourself. Pop out. Please go check out my videos, y'all. You know what I'm talking about. Just drop your comments. You ain't gotta subscribe. Just go check out my videos. I ain't tripping. Yeah, we gonna pop out anywhere you go. You know my brothers, I already know how we popping, so I ain't tripping on that. You hear me? Pop out and rock out. Represent the channel. Please be safe. No cap, y'all. You hear me? Thumbs up. Oh, I gotta give myself a thumbs up. I'm tripping. Duh. Duh. I give myself a thumbs up. Feel like a robot.